Hi there, this is Kristie, and my friend Becky and I have been talking for the past few months, and I am just amazed at how well she is done selling simple printables from her Ecom store, i.e., her Shopify store. This is a preview of the page that will be live on Thursday, but Becky has learned how to sell printables, and she's doing very well, as you can see. And I've been learning a lot of things from Becky about how to do research. And I went through her course and her research on Etsy and Amazon Handmade, um, and Google and Pinterest and um, Facebook, Facebook printable pages is amazing. There are secrets in there, tactics. Hate to call them secrets, but they're strategies that you would not learn unless you just scoured the internet for hours and hours. And Becky does this full time. I say full time. She had a full time job, but she's making, as you can see, full time income. Disclosure: I'm an affiliate. I will make a commission if you buy through my link. With that being said, I made a really cute bonus page in Canva that I'll show to you right here, that you'll see in another video right here. And I will send you these 3 bonuses if you buy through my link, but be sure there are going to be a lot of people promoting this for Becky and her partner. And so you have to be sure that you buy it through my link to get these specific bonuses. There are other people promoting it with their own bonus package. This is mine. The first one is a daily planner that I think you'll love. And it's for personal use. And then I have a how to make pretty printables for your shop mini course on Teachable. You'll get that as bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is 31 days to adorable best-selling journal and notebook ideas to sell on Etsy. And I think you'll love it. I really do. But you have to be sure to buy through my link. So go to a different browser. If you've already clicked through someone else's link, it won't happen. You won't be able to get this bonus. So be sure you click through my link last on a different browser, so you're not cookied in to someone else's if you want this bonus package. And I think it's super cute. I think it's super valuable. And this link goes live on Thursday. So be sure to send me your receipt. The email will be under this video. And it's called E-commerce Academy. I believe it's the name of it. Printables Ecom Academy. Printables Ecom Academy is what it is called. And it's going to be super fun. Like I said, I've been through the course. Super valuable way to see how Becky has been making thousands of dollars with printables. And she's going to show you how to create a website, how to create digital products, how to drive traffic to a brand new store, and then how to rinse and repeat. So, of course, we can't guarantee any income. This is for educational purposes only, but Becky is going to show you exactly what she's doing and how she's doing it. It's going to be super fun, and she's going to show you how. It's a very thorough course. I swam through it yesterday. And what is so nice about over-the-shoulder video courses is that you can watch them over and over and over. So you can stop the video, do the thing, and then watch it again. So I think you'll really enjoy this. And again, the bonuses you'll get if you go through my link are here. A daily planner called Bloom Where You Are Planted. I think it's so cute. I love flowers. I have a how to make pretty printables for your shop mini course, and a PDF in Teachable, 31 days to adorable best-selling journal and notebook ideas to sell on Etsy. Okay, so I hope you'll enjoy all of this as one big bonus. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.